Hello everyone, welcome to the Sammy's Vibe Craft. Hey, hi guys. I am here with reviewing one product, so let's get started. This is the sandwich and toaster, which is by a Priestige, having a durable die cast aluminum sandwich plate with a heat resistance body and having a non-stick coating for the oil free toasting. Also, it is available with the different colors. I brought this from the local market with the 1795 rupees with the elegant black finish. So let unbox it. It's come with the black color with the lightweight, and we can see the entire structure of the sandwich and toaster. Here we gave a one cap how to open this sandwich toaster with the fixed grill plater we can see here, and also there is a plug through which we can connect the sandwich toaster. Also on the top of the sandwich toaster there are two lights, green and red. This provides a power indication. Let's make something. Plug in, then red indicator will glow. You can see here. After that, green light will be glow, and then you have to add your sandwich or toaster, whatever you make. You just have to put it on this toaster. There is no need to apply oil or butter on this black grill plate. We just have to put it on your sandwich bread. That is sufficient to bake it and make this toasting wala sandwich. Ensure that it is completely closed, and you have to put it that clip. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then that green indicator will turn off. You can see here. Then you have to take out that sandwich, and your sandwich is ready to eat.